Hi guys, welcome to GoKids video. Today we're looking at the Bruder Cat Bulldozer. This one is a little different than the Roadmax vehicles that I usually get. The Cat line are exact replicas of actual equipment made by a company called Caterpillar. You can see some of the vehicles that they make on the back of this box. They have all kinds of construction equipment, so let's open it up and check it out. Do you know where the name Bulldozer comes from? I didn't. I had to look it up. The bulldozer was actually the piece on the front that pushes the rock and dirt. Everyone just started calling the whole thing a bulldozer, so now we call that front piece the bulldozer blade or plow blade. Instead of wheels, a bulldozer has crawler tracks. This helps it move around on the construction site without getting stuck in the dirt. You can see that the blade can tilt and it also moves up and down. Let's turn it around and look at the back. On the back is a piece called the loosening rake. The driver uses this part to break up the dirt and rocks so that he can move it with the front blade. It moves up and down. Okay, let's put this bulldozer to work. It moves these eggs around with no problem. Bulldozers can move almost anything. If you like these cat vehicles, let me know in the comments and I'll show you more. Thanks for watching, guys! For more great videos, subscribe by clicking the button below.